This is the Life Fitness Multi-Press. Now you can do a number of different presses on it, from flat chest press, incline chest press, and all the way up to shoulder press. And it's all adjusted in one seat. Flat chest press, I select my weight on the weight stack. I lie down, put my hands on the handles. I want to make sure the bars are in line with my chest. Head back and push up. All the way down to the start position and push up again. And then to adjust it, you simply come around to the right hand side of the machine, pull on this red toggle. You don't have to spin it, it just has to be simply pulled out. So it's on a spring. When you let go, it will shoot back in. So you hold it out, and while holding it out, lift the chair to the desired angle, and when you let go, it locks into the nearest hole that you can find. But now, the handles are too low. I can't fit in here. You know, my body is too, I'm not flexible enough to get my arms under there here. So I need to change the handles. You come over here, you've got this red toggle. Again, it doesn't need to be spun, it literally just pops out. And you raise the handles to whichever height you feel is best for your shoulder range of motion, and you allow it to lock in place. Now, I'm in an inclined position with the handles in a comfortable position. I choose my weight. Now it's in a much better position for me to hold and press. The same thing applies for the shoulder press. I'll do the same thing I did before. Grab the pin, hold it out, and adjust it all the way up to a vertical position. That will probably be too low now. So when I sit in here, my shoulders are way above the handle, so I can't get that low. So I just adjust the handles again, pull this red pin, lift the handles to the height that suits me. Choose my weight, grab the handles and press.